I didn't lose. Price just swept liquidity before breaking
If you've
structure.
ever heard the word Forex and thought, ah yes, money stuff, I'll pretend I understand later, this video is for you. If you've ever lost money trading, felt confused by strategies, or honestly don't even know what Forex really is, this video is definitely for you. Today, we're stripping away the hype and explaining Forex trading in the simplest, most honest way possible. Welcome to Uukwatha Trading, where we build financial confidence, one trade at a time. And quick reminder, we publish a video every week, so click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, unlike tuition. What is a currency? Let's start from the very beginning. Every country has its own money. That money is called a currency. For example, South Africa uses the South African rand. Namibia uses the Namibian dollar. The USA uses the US dollar. Europe uses the euro. Japan uses the yen. Money works inside a country, but once you cross borders, things change. And that's where currency exchange comes in. Currency exchange is simply a place where you swap one country's money for another. For example, you walk into a currency exchange with US dollars and you exchange them for euros. That's it. No magic. No trading charts. Just exchanging. You'll find currency exchanges at airports, near tourist areas, at banks, depending on the country. Why would I use a currency exchange? Let's say you're traveling. You arrive in another country, ready to eat, shop, and vibe, but the local vendors don't accept your money. Small shops usually want cash, and they usually want their own currency. So you go to a currency exchange, give them your money, and they give you the local currency. Simple. But do I get the same amount back? Short answer, no. The amount you receive depends on something called the exchange rate. An exchange rate tells you how much one currency is worth compared to another. Example, right now, $1 might equal about 105 Japanese yen. So if you exchange $1, you don't get 1 yen. You get 105 yen. Currencies are valued differently. What about fees? Yes, currency exchanges charge a fee. And here's a smart tip. The more money you exchange at once, the lower the fee per dollar usually is. Exchanging $10 multiple times equals more fees. Exchanging $100 or $300 once equals fewer fees. Plan ahead. Your wallet will thank you.
Thank you!
Do they accept every currency? Nope. Most exchanges accept common currencies like US dollar, euro, British pound. So if you're traveling from a country with a less common currency, it's smart to first convert your money into a common currency, like the US dollar, then exchange it again at your destination. Now, how does this relate to Forex? Great question. This is where things level up. Forex trading comes from the same idea as currency exchange, but instead of traveling, you're trading.
I'm watching charts while the city sleeps. Blue and red where the data speaks. Higher lows, lower highs in sight. Risk on lock, yeah, my stop stay tight. No gambling, this is just not luck one.
What is Forex trading? Forex stands for foreign exchange, which is like currency exchange but virtual. Currencies are traded in pairs. For example, UR/USD, USD/JPY, GBP/USD. When you see UR/USD, you are comparing the euro to the US dollar.
Relax, don't click off yet. The editor just stepped out for a water break. So this is not goodbye, this is just the bell between rounds. You learned something today, hit that like button, and if Forex ever confused you, subscribe.